What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to use vidIQ automatic title generator. So to access this feature you would need to have a vidIQ account opened. If you don't have an account with vidIQ already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. So let's get started. Once you open up your account and connect your channel, you will be greeted with this dashboard right here. This is the vidIQ default dashboard. So from here, you would need to go to generate right here. Now here, simply type an idea of the video that you have in mind. For example, let's take best places to travel to. And after just a few moments, vidIQ will generate not only your title, but also your description, tags and thumbnails. So as you can see, this title has a vidIQ score of 90, which means that it's very well keyword optimized. So if you like this title, you can just click copy right here, or if you don't like it, you can click regenerate right here. So that's how you can automatically generate titles using vidIQ. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.